Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and let's talk about whether the OnePlus Nord has a display tint issue. Now there has been a lot of requests on our channel asking whether there is a display issue on the OnePlus Nord. So we have been testing this device for more than a week now. The maximum number of comments we got on our videos is asking whether there is a display issue on the OnePlus Nord. So there are some reports that there are a greenish tint appearing in the OnePlus Nord display, and there has been some clarifications as well. So we'll just analyze whether there is any actually discoloration or green tint issue on the OnePlus Nord. So this is the display. So we'll just set the brightness levels, different brightness levels to see. So first let's go to 100% brightness and we'll go to Chrome. So this is the Chrome. You can't see any discoloration or green tint. So it looks quite normal in all the angles. So there is no issue as such. So there you go. You can see that this is quite normal. So this is in full brightness. So you can see that this looks quite normal. We don't see any discoloration here. Now we have a couple of other devices as well. All are AMOLED panels. We have the Reno 4 Pro. So this is the Reno 4 Pro, again in full brightness. So you can see that this is Reno 4 Pro versus Nord in full brightness. Do you see any discoloration or green tint? Actually we don't see any sort of issues here. It looks both looks quite similar, even towards the bottom section, and we don't see anything. Now we'll just compare with the Vivo X50 as well. So do you see any discoloration or green tint? When compared to the Vivo X50, you can see that this is a Vivo X50, again an AMOLED panel. Now this is under full brightness on both the devices. Now next let's go to 50% brightness. So there you go. Now we go to 50%. So now we are at 50% brightness. Again we don't see any discoloration here. We'll just go to the Vivo X50 as well. So this is again at 50% brightness. So it looks quite similar here. We don't see any major difference between these two devices. Again let's go with the Reno 4 Pro. So there you go. Here again you can see that it looks quite similar. Both are having a similar display. We don't see any sort of discoloration happening. It's exactly the same options what we are seeing on both the devices. Now let's go to almost 0% brightness, or rather a very less brightness. So we just set it to say something like a 5%. So this is the brightness we have set. Now do you see any discoloration happening? I don't see actually. You can see that we don't see any sort of discoloration or green tint issue here. Now let's go with the Vivo X50 as well. We have set it to the low brightness. So just comparing X50 with the OnePlus Nord. So no green tint issue we are seeing here. There you go. So we don't see any sort of issues here. Just come a bit more closer. So there you go. I don't see any sort of discoloration or green tint issue. Now next we'll just compare it with the Reno as well. We'll just go to the same brightness levels. So there you go. The Reno brightness looks a bit too higher. In fact the brightness low brightness seems to be a bit too high. So this seems quite okay. So you can see that this looks quite similar. We don't see any sort of issues on the OnePlus Nord. It looks quite similar. So there you go. Now we'll just have a complete black wallpaper. We'll just try that as well. So once again we set the device to the extreme low brightness. So there you go. So we have set it to very low brightness. Once again we'll just reduce it to 0 brightness, and let's take that image once again. So there you go. This is a black image actually, and there are no green tint issues here. So it's almost same. Now we'll just increase the brightness a bit, around 25%. Again the black wallpaper. There are no green tint issues here. So you can see that it's exactly the same color almost everywhere. Now what happens is if you go to Chrome browser, you can see that there is a slight greenish color available. That's for all the devices. So if you go to the Reno as well, So here again you can see that we have set the brightness, and you can see that even on the Reno 4 Pro, you can see the top portion has a slight greenish layer, but that happens for all the devices, not just the OnePlus Nord. So we'll just show you again. So we'll just slightly increase the brightness. Now here also we'll just slightly increase the brightness. So again you can see that it looks exactly the same. Now we'll just show you one more image. This is taken with our smartphone camera. It's an S20 Plus what we have taken. Now here are the three devices which we showed right now. On the left is OnePlus Nord, next is the Vivo X50, and the next is the Reno 4 Pro. Now you can see that it looks quite similar. Now there is a slight greenish tint on all the devices. It's not just the OnePlus Nord alone. That greenish tint is available on the Vivo X50 as well. So you can see that this is not a OnePlus Nord issue, because it's more or less the image processing on some smartphones. So basically I would say there are no display issues on the OnePlus Nord. At least on our unit we don't see any sort of display issues. So this is another image taken with the three devices, the OnePlus Nord, the Vivo X50 and the Oppo Reno 4 Pro using our Sony Alpha 6300, and you can't see any sort of tinting issues on the OnePlus Nord. Now if there is a display tint issue on other devices, that we cannot guarantee, but at the same time, what we can guarantee is that on our device, the review unit we received, there is no display issues. So this is the video we wanted to make so that people know that at least this is not a widespread issue. Maybe one or two devices it might have, I'm not very sure on that, but at least on our unit we did not see any sort of display issues, rather the green tint issue on the OnePlus Nord. So that is the video you wanted, you asked for, you requested, so we have made this video. So hope this video helps. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.